Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words with me, Miss Hall. And me, Ollie Owl. Hi, Ollie. Thanks for coming today. And thanks for all of you for joining in as well. Ollie, do you want to do our learning target for us? Yes, I sure do. Here we go. I can identify specific sounds in words. Good job, Ollie. Let's get started with rhyming words today. I am going to say 3 words. You're going to say the one word that doesn't rhyme with the others. You ready to give it a try? All right, let's get started. Not, hill, pill. Which word doesn't rhyme? Not. Good job, not. Stop, jump, bump. Which word doesn't rhyme? Stop. Good job. Stop. Cash, dash, big. Which word doesn't rhyme? Big. That's right. Big. Let's try one more set of words. Fell, well, yet. Which word doesn't rhyme? Yet. Good job. Yet. Now, for our next activity, we are going to work on identifying the first sound in words. I'm going to say 3 words that all start with the same sound. You are going to tell me what that first sound is. Listen carefully. Foam, feast, for. What's the first sound? Yes. Here, horse, had. What's the first sound? Good job. Lamb, lakes, lips. What's the first sound in those words? Ooh. Good job. Ooh. Job, jet, join. What's the first sound? J. Good job. J. Awesome job identifying the first sound in words. Now Ollie and I are going to get our choppers out. Ollie's going to chop all the sounds in a word as I say them. And when he goes like this, you'll put the sounds together to make the word. Is everybody ready? All right, let's give it a try. Hill. Ack. Tack. App. Cap. Rough. Ick. Six. Great job putting sounds together to make a word. Now we are going to work on identifying the final or last sound we hear in a word. I'm going to say a word and really focus on the last sound. You're going to tell me what that last sound is. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Medium. What's the last sound in? Medium. Good job. Begin. What's the last sound? Good job. Basement. What's the final sound? Good job. Ashamed. What's the last sound? Good job. Let's do one more. Large. What's the last sound? Good job. Great job identifying the final sound we hear in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word. You're going to chop all the sounds you hear in the word. Here we go. Say cab. Now chop cab. K-a-b. Good job. Say pop. Now chop pop. P-a-p. Awesome. Say hug. Now chop hug. G. Great job. Say hen. Now chop hen. N. Great job breaking a word down into all of its sounds. Now for our next activity, we are going to start with a word. I'm going to tell you a new first sound. When I go like this, you're going to say what our new word is. Let's get started. Say shock. Change sh to n. Knock. Say knock. Change n to r. Rock. Say sod. Change s to p. Pod. Say pod. Change p to t. Todd. Let's do one more. Say dot. Change d to k. Cot. Great job changing the first sound in a word to make a new word. Now, we are going to start by saying the ending chunk, which is also called the rhyme of a word. I'll tell you the first sound to add. When it go like this, you're going to put it together to say what our word is. Here we go. Say ing. Add k. King. Say unk. Add j. Junk. Say op. Add p. Pop. Say ed. Add r. Red. Say ick. Add s. Sick. Great job starting with the ending chunk or rhyme of a word, adding a first sound, and putting it together to make a word. Now we are going to start with a word. We'll take away the first sound. When I go like this, you're going to say the rhyme of the word or remaining chunk that's left. Here we go. Say job. Say it without j. Ob. Say bend. Say it without b. End. Say raft. Say it without r. Aft. Say pick. Say it without p. Ick. Great job starting with a word, taking away its first sound, and saying the remaining chunk or rhyme of the word that's left. Now it's time to count words and sentences. It sure is, Ollie. Do you want to say the sentences today? Oh, yes, can I please? Yes, of course. Ollie's going to say a sentence. We're going to count the words in the sentence, and then he's going to let us know if we're right. Well, let's give it a try. It's all yours, Ollie. Here I go, everybody. Do you eat hamburgers? How many words did you hear? I think there were just 4 in that sentence. Let's count and see. Do you eat hamburgers? You're right. We are right. Great job, everybody. Oh, can we do one more? Oh, yes, we can. We are baking your birthday cake. How many words were in that sentence? I think I counted 6. Well, let's see. We are baking your birthday cake. You're right. Yeah, I needed 2 hands for that. There were 6 words. There sure were. You guys all did such a great job. And thanks for coming and helping, Ollie. I love to help and see the students. I know you do. I love to see the students too. Super job, everyone. And can't wait to see you again next time.